Join me in a stroll in the Hall of Fame. Our first exhibit is actually the Alouette Award, Canadian National Award awarded to the most space telescope team for its technological and scientific accomplishments. Alouette is the name of Canada's first satellite, and in fact one of the first satellites ever. Canada was the third country in history after the Soviet Union and the United States to actually design and build a space satellite to be launched into orbit. As we go along, we see a lot of small things because small is big, size doesn't always matter. And these are CubeSats. Their series is called CanX. The CAN is for Canadian, the X for experimental. This is on the frontier of aerospace technology, and it's putting us on the frontier of astrophysics. And here we get into equipment that is being used and will be used on Mars. In Deep Six, we're going beyond the solar system to the Tau Ceti system, but the moon base, which is in orbit around Tau Ceti F, a lot of the experience for it will derive from an outpost on Mars. And that's not going to come for a couple of decades, but we are learning what the conditions are like and what that outpost would need to be like, and we're applying those lessons to the design of the Deep Six moon base. Here are pictures of my baby, Canada's first space telescope, MOST, in the Clean Bay at a Russian military launch base, the Plesetsk Cosmodrome. And MOST was launched into space aboard a former Soviet nuclear missile, and in this place there are still active nuclear missiles. So it shows, one, how much the politics and culture have changed over a few decades, that a Canadian scientist and his team can have access to one of the most secure military bases in Russia. And we are exploring that kind of political and social dynamic in Deep Six as well. Here's the future. An empty mantle. The future awards for technical and scientific achievements, the future satellites that are going to provide us with more information to find out, did we get it exactly right in Deep Six? We're extrapolating to be consistent with our current knowledge, but our current knowledge will be expanded upon year by year, and if the series continues on for many, many seasons, then you will actually see things updated in real time based on the latest scientific discoveries. And those discoveries, many of them will originate right here with the satellites that are being designed and built here to be sent to launch pads, to be sent into orbit to study Tau Ceti and other star and planetary systems.